So hello and welcome to another unboxing on my bed. Today we've got something slightly different. It's the unboxing of a SONOFF. It's a temperature and humidity sensor, as you can see. These are quite popular. This is the SNZB-02. I don't have a Zigbee hub apart from the Alexas, and everyone now these days has got the Alexa hub, and most of the Alexa hubs have got Zigbees built in. So I've got a studio here as well. It's an Alexa Echo Studio, which is really, really good in terms of sound quality. So we're going to attempt to connect this to the Zigbee device. So I've got the Amazon app here, the Alexa app here as well. And I am literally on the devices tab here, and we're going to add a new device. So this is the software that we need to get started. I believe you can also add a device from the actual hub itself by saying, Alexa, add a new device, but we're gonna try doing that without. So this is the SONOFF in terms of what's in the box. We're gonna have to go through the learning curve together here because I've just opened this myself, so I don't even know what's inside the box. So we're going to get rid of that. There's some Chinese product qualification QC pass here. We've got the instructions. We're going to have a look through. You've got the 3M sticker there to stick it wherever you want it. And this is the actual hub. I'm not going to try to dismantle it too much, but it basically looks like a little button in the corner there. That's the actual little box. You've got some temperature holes there, I'm assuming, to be able to get the temperature sensor there going in. Again, I'm not going to take it apart, but that's what we've got. So in terms of the manual, I'm not going to go through what Zigbee is and what this Sonos thing is. Basically, the whole point of this is for me to be able to see what the temperature of a specific area in the house is by asking our friends, which I'm not going to mention the name of. So apparently, we do have to undo this. So it basically says we need to undo the bottom and we need to take the little plastic off, and it's showing us from that little notch there. We're just going to do that. I'm sure this should be slightly easier than this. But okay, let's try it from this way around. Aha! So there's a little clippy there at the battery. I'm going to have to pull that out. Stick the battery back in. And we're going to push this back in as well. The right way around. I'll tell you what, for the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to leave this off. As long as the battery's in there, I'm going to put this back on in my own time. So that's one of the shortfalls, but let's not dwell on that. So once we've taken that out, we need to add a new device, etc., etc. Right, so we're going to have to do that back onto there, add a device, and it's basically saying motion sensor, router hub, let's say thermostat. It's not any of these listed on here, so we're going to say other and discover devices. Now, once this is going on to discovery, I'm going to press this button now, as it says in the instructions, and then take it from there. So it says, connect the bridge before adding the sub device. And that's it. That's all the instructions come with. So let's see how that goes. Yeah, so it's not found it. We are going to try again. Try discovery again. I'm going to press that button there. This actually suggests, I'm keeping my finger on there, see how that works. What we've got is this still searching for devices. One temperature sensor found and connected. So, okay, so it does work. So the way I did it was literally to turn it on and then keep your finger on the power button until it connects. So we're going to set up the device, add a temperature sensor to a group. I don't want to add it to a group. So we're going to say skip to that. So first device is set up and ready to use. Done. So it's as easy as that. So let's try looking for all devices here. And we've got first device. And it says the current temperature is 25.8. I'm not sure if that's really accurate because we've got another temperature sensor in the room that says 19.7. So we're just going to wait for it to stabilize and decide what the temperature should be. But that's how easy it is to add something to Alexa. So we're going to rename this and we're going to call it indoor temp. And it's enabled. It's called indoor temp now. So let's try asking her again. Alexa, indoor temp.
The indoor temp temperature is 24.58 degrees.
So that's as easy as that. So basically, once you've added the device, you need to go to the settings there and you basically change the indoor temp and make it whatever, edit the name to make it whatever you want it to be. And you can ask Alexa what the temperature is. Alexa, what's the indoor temperature?
The indoor temp temperature is 24.06 degrees.
So easy as that. So we've basically added the device to Alexa. We can use the app to see what the temperature of the room is, wherever the sensor is. And we can also ask Alexa wherever we are to figure out what the temperature is wherever the device is. And you can just rename the device and take it from there. So I hope that was useful. I try to edit this video to get rid of some stuff, but if I don't get the chance because I haven't got the tools, hopefully you just done your best to put up with me rambling on. So there you go. I'll leave you to it.